Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Laura. Over here I share my lock journey with you, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I have been styling my medium to long length locks. I have approximately 154 to 156, I've lost count, locks. A few years ago when I first started my lock journey, I filmed how I style my short locks, but now my locks are more mature, they're a little bit longer, and I'm showing you how I'm styling my locks. Before I get started, I am going to be using the Faida Naturals Rose Water Mist. For anyone who's watching this video, you will get 15% off any Faida Naturals products if you use the code below, and the code is going to be YouTube. So go ahead and check out our plant-based products and order your own. So before I style my hair, I usually like to make sure that I've misted it, and we'll just dive right into the video. All right, so let's get started with this tutorial. I'm misting my hair with rose water. I do the most because I want to make sure that my hair is hydrated. So the first style is going to be a pinned side twist is what I'm going to call it. I will also say that you'll notice that some of my locks are not mature because I split some thinking I wanted my locks to be smaller, but they're not. So that's what that is. But this is the style. It's very simple. It's very quick, easy to do. When I did it here, it looks like I left some out. If you notice in the back, you'll see some hanging pieces, but you get the gist of it. It can be a formal or it can be a more casual style. The next one is pinning your sides back, and because my hair right now is mature, it'll lay down flat. So I really love this style for work or for any professional or formal settings that I need to go to. I find that it's extremely easy and doesn't require too much effort. And the next style I'm going to be doing is a top bun. I use a thicker headband for this one. I think I got this pack at the Dollar Tree or something, but just gather all the hair up top. This is a pretty simple style. It's nice that I can put my hair in a bun, and this is one of the locks that I split. To make this style a little bit more, what word do I want to use? Unique or formal, or what word would I use? I pull out the bangs, and then you have a whole different style over there. If you want to try it out a different way, let's say you don't like the top bun, you can do a low bun and you would just have your bangs out that way. Sometimes I prefer to have a low bun, sometimes I prefer a high one, and if your hair can't reach the high bun, just try the low one and that should work out. This next style is one that I really love, but it's kind of annoying to do because you have to twist one direction and another direction. You'll be able to see it in a little bit. So I twist and pin one side, and I use a small headband to hold them together just so they don't unravel while I twist the other side. And this is a really annoying process, but basically it looks so uncoordinated, but I'm basically trying to join the two together without unraveling the twists. And then I put the headband around it, and then I tuck the ends into it, and then it creates this half up, half down updo twist style, and it looks really cute when it's done. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to style it. Of course, you'd make it the way you'd want for it to look. And a lot of these styles, or I should say all of them, are low tension styles, so they shouldn't put too much tension on your edges. The next style that we're going to be doing is a side swoop ponytail. As far as level of difficulty, this is probably the hardest one if you have uneven locks. So the locks at the front of my hair are shorter than the ones at the rest of my hair. So this usually takes some effort, usually takes 1,001 bobby pins, but you get the deal. It wasn't perfect here, but if your hair is an even length, it'll look really nice. Then half up, half down. This is a very common one. I wear this quite often. It's a really simple look, but I think it looks put together somehow. Then I use my headband scarf thing, and I'm just going to do half up, half down, and tie a bow up top. This is a super cute one, especially I like to wear this one in the summer a lot. I don't think the weather really matters, but I find that it looks really cute with summer outfits. Then I use the same headband to kind of do like a side swoop where I push the hair over to one side, and it just gives a really interesting look, something different from the pushed back. And if you want your hair to look like it has more volume, that's the go-to look. This one I accidentally came across one day when I just put my hair up and left it, and I was like, oh, this actually is a look. So just put a really, really high ponytail and let it sit down, and it looks like the hair is swooped down. I don't know how to explain it, but it looks good and I love wearing it. Then wearing my hair down as usual. This is a very common look, but so those are the different styles that I have been doing on my hair. I hope you found at least one of them to be something that you would try on your locks, and I hope that this video was helpful. Please do consider subscribing to this channel if you're interested in lock content. I possibly will be sharing other things alongside this channel as I try and figure out the direction I'd like for it to go. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you found this video to be helpful for you. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Take care.